ISIS. It's a really good piece. I haven't seen or used the B&M shifter, but a lot of people that have used it said that it's really comparable to this. So the shifter is in good quality, and you can really tell that it's good quality. It's a good quality product. I mean, all the holes look like they're drilled out nicely. No casting marks. You know, it's a really good looking shifter. I got it from Ijuku Racing for about, I think, $96 with shipping, which is not a bad deal at all considering the B&M is over $250. The first step here is to remove the shifter trim, which involves taking the shifter knob off, which is not really a big deal. You just spin it to the left. There's that. Basically now what you can do is take your shifter trim off, and there's no screws or anything on it. You basically just pop it off. There's 2 clips here, 2 clips here, and 2 clips here. So you can just pop them off. It's not really hard to do. And the whole shifter trim is off now. Now you might want to go ahead and take your center console off just to make things a little bit easier. I haven't screwed mine down because I kind of lost the screws. But if you look closely, you can see there's going to be 2 screws here. There's 1 screw here and 1 on the other side. And there's also 2 in the back. So you can just pull that off. Be sure to unplug your cigarette lighter, and well, if you have a convertible, you unplug your window switches. Alright, get that out the way. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver or a 10mm socket or a wrench. We're going to go ahead and take the 4 10mm bolts off. And pull this off and you'll see your shifter sitting right in here. It might be a little difficult. As you can see, there's 4 bolts here, and then there's 2 all the way in the back. It might be kind of difficult to get those 2 without a wrench. What some people end up doing is dropping the transmission, not dropping it, but taking the cross member off so it kind of tilts down a bit. Go ahead and take this whole assembly out. These are not 10mm bolts, these are 12mm bolts. So you want to go ahead and get your 12mm set up. It's gonna definitely be easier to take the shifter out to access those 2 bolts in the back. So all you need to do is take one of these O-ring pliers and just take this O-ring out that's in here. It's that simple. And then you just pull the shifter out like that. You take your 12. Alright, when you have all your bolts taken out, basically you can just lift the old shifter trim out of here, and you can see your tranny now. Right, so now that you got your RTV bead on there, basically just slide this back in the way you got it out. I have these 2 bolts in here because since I didn't lower my cross member, yeah. Make sure your the bushing and the shifter is in the shifter linkage. Sits in there. Alright, just thread in a few bolts here. Alright, now that you have the shifter bolted in, all you really need to do is put everything back. Start with the shift boot. There you have it. Short shifter. So there you go, guys. Hope this install was easy for you. Enjoy your new short shifter.